How to back up your blog. To back up your blog, you need to install a special plugin. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Next, go to Add New. In the search field, type in WP DB Manager and search plugins. There are of course other plugins you can select, but WP DB Manager is one of the well-known ones. So in this list, it's called WP DB Manager, and then click Install Now. Click OK. And now it's installed. Simply activate the plugin. And now it's activated. On the left side, you'll see a new settings area here called Database. To back up your database, simply go to Backup DB. And you can see down the bottom here, a button called Backup. So to back up your database, simply click Backup. And you can see that your database has been backed up successfully. There are other options here which you can use, such as Manage Backups, Optimize your database, Repair your database, Empty drop tables, but you won't need to touch any of these settings. In Manage Backup Database, you'll see a list of backups that you've made. You can always restore and delete your backups. And there's an option to email the database to your email address. So that's how to back up your blog.